What's the meaning of bursa? Bursa. Bursa.
Bursa. Bursa. The term bursa refers to a small fluid-filled sac that is located in various parts of the body, most commonly at joints. These sacs act as cushions and reduce friction between bones, tendons, and muscles. Bursitis is a condition that occurs when one or more bursae become inflamed, usually due to repetitive movements or pressure. Symptoms may include pain, swelling, and limited range of motion. Treatment typically involves rest, ice, and anti-inflammatory medication. In severe cases, drainage of the affected bursa or corticosteroid injections may be necessary. Overall, bursae play an important role in the proper functioning of our musculoskeletal system.